Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. I'm doing another bloom today, and I'm using this Anchors Away from Sherwin-Williams. I think it's probably one of my favorite colors that I've used. Not that I've used a lot of different colors, but I've been experimenting with different ones. And this one is just really, it's totally up my alley. The blues are always my favorites, so I really like this pillow from Sherwin-Williams. So anyways, what I'm doing right now is I'll put my pillow down, and when it's warmer outside and it's going to be warmer in my studio, I will always kind of push that paint kind of over the edge, because I've had it where it dries with a ring around it. As it's been sitting there, it dries really quick. So I decided I was just going to make it easier on myself, push that paint around all the way around the edges so that when I spin it out, it actually spins out easier and I don't end up with that weird ring. So those are my colors I just put down. I'm using a couple TLPs, Pray Night and Velvet, and I believe Lakeside might be in there actually also, and then golden iridescent blue, or no, iridescent gold, and I believe there was a Triart in there also, the phthalo turquoise. And I'm just blowing out the cell activator over top of these colors. The cell activator is Payne's Gray from Amsterdam. I don't know, I really like the Amsterdam for the cell activators. I like the Triart too, but I feel like I'm having better success lately with the Amsterdam, so I kind of went back to that. So I really like this Payne's Gray. I love this color palette. It's so pretty. It's so up my alley. These greens and blues, I just really loved it. And I have my little MHU travel hair dryer. It's like $17 on Amazon. It's my favorite hair dryer because it works really good for Dutch pours with the concentrator or that diverter, concentrator, whatever it's called, on the end. But it works great for these bloom blowouts without that concentrator on it. So I'm really enjoying working with that concentrator off. I used to always use it with the concentrator on, but I really like how it's looking and my control that I have with it without the concentrator. So playing around with that, having a good time. Wanted some negative space in this bloom. This is a 14 by 16. Actually no, 12 by 16 canvas. It's just a traditional edge, and I will frame it. It is going to be for sale this weekend at the Starving Artist Fair in Racine, Wisconsin. I am doing a show there, so if anybody's in the area, please come over, stop by, say hi. But this one is, I just really love these colors. I did another one in these same colors a couple weeks back, so you guys probably have seen it. But I loved the composition on that one as well. So if you haven't seen it, go back. This is my new pouring medium. I love this pouring medium. It's been my favorite with the Valspar. It's 2 parts Valspar to 1 part of the Behr Dynasty. So if you missed my mixing video, I did have a mixing video a couple weeks ago. I'll link it here at the top so you guys can check that out in case you missed it. But I love this pouring medium so much. When you mix it to start with, the Valspar is going to dull your colors a little bit because you're not going to see like the true colors right away until it dries. So just kind of have faith in yourself, faith in your color selection, that you've picked a good color choices, colors that are going to complement each other, and then just have at it because I have never had any problems with it drying true to color. It is just going to mix a little bit duller to start with when you're mixing it. As with all colors, all paints, all acrylic paints are the same way. When you mix them with pouring medium, they always are duller than what they actually dry. They're always lighter than what they actually dry. So it shouldn't be too much of a surprise when you add in those colors that you're gonna get a little bit of a duller look to start with while it's wet, but it always dries true to color, and I've never had any problems with it. So I think you guys will really like it if you give it a shot. It does give you a really nice consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I use no varnish in my pouring medium because, as you guys have seen through my blooming journey, I'm not a fan of wonky cells, and whenever I use varnish, it is inevitable that I get wonky cells. So I've just decided to cut it out. I prefer it that way. You guys can do whatever you want to do, and I appreciate that everybody's going to do their own thing, and I'm just putting out there what works for me and what I like. So, and I really do hope that it works for you guys as well. Of course, if you guys ever have any questions, please write them in the comments below. And as always, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to continue seeing this content. And hey, what I want you guys to do in the comments below is I need you guys to tell me what you want to see on my channel. So I've been doing blooms, I've been doing texture, I've been doing pearl pours, but I want to know what you guys want to see more of, because of course I want to make content for you all that you like, you appreciate, because of course when you like the content, then it boosts me in YouTube, and of course it helps me out a lot. So I want to know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more of these blooms, more texture, more pearl pours, more content for, like, I don't know, I don't really do a lot of like just plain like flip cups or straight pours or things like that. I think there's other artists that do those things better than I do and who are more interested in doing those things, but just let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see me do, because I'm always interested in knowing. I can look at my analytics and sometimes I'm baffled at things that you guys like, and I am something that I love, you guys barely watch. So I want to know what you guys think, and please always commenting, even if you can't support in other ways. Commenting and liking videos is huge. It really does help my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you. So I am going to let you watch the rest of this. I do show you the wet results as well as the dry results at the end, so stick around for the dry results, and I appreciate you all, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.